Heavy. Hi diary, welcome to another episode of Living Nigerian. On today's episode, we're going to go into my brother's farm to help shoot some videos for his poultry business. So this is my outfit. I don't have appropriate clothes for a farm, so this is what I have.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
So we are here.
Wait,
It's added to the should I pass?
So should we start with the small one, the big one?
Let's start with the big one, then we'll move smaller. Then we'll... Oh, this is some heavy.
Okay, so where's the best place to sit or stand or?
In the middle, sit in the middle here.
I should sit in the middle.
This is the progress we've made so far at the farm. A manure collector. At the end, that we haven't dug yet. And like I said in the earlier video, this other pen.
Train her feet for running.
You see the money for going out yesterday?
Windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even
You're still recording, right?
Yeah, I'm recording on this.
You guys are still working in the site. It's still a site.
Straps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard. Count to 10, lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, then forward to the
So don't bring wood though.
I'm working on this whole thing.
Show you what we have done so far.
But it's harder
This
on the cold.
is the water line. Drops
Never
to
been a product of a flawed
ground.
environment.
It uses that.
Like I'm higher than
This is what we use. And the feed line.
and I still pray.
It's also
Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break?
You can feel the heat inside here.
now
It is hot.
this place seems hotter because this temperature is going to be maintained, and we still have to put in the heat. We're still trying to decide the cheapest form of heat, if it's going to be coal, if we're going to use gas, if we're going to use electricity.
Yeah. Now we're moving out of this hot place. So why did you go into poultry? Why poultry? Okay, so this thing, like, you know, the first thing you said in the first Instagram video. So I'm going to need to pull you guys up.
Slowly, until they move. Yeah, with the stud. Yeah.
I would be on my way. We've achieved what we're going to do here. So off to the next location.
This joy deep down inside me.
Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way.